the Archangel Michael. Talk about mythic. The Archangel Michael. The Archangel Michael stopped Friday morning at the McDonald's on Western, just north of Pratt, and sat hunched over the corner table, eating his Egg McMuffin and blazing with the glory of the celestial throne, and was of such incandescence that local TV weather forecasters announced it in bright bulletins with maps as if a small other sun had landed next to the emptied and forlorn Harley-Davidson sales room, and floating technicians up on the shuttle looked out from space to awe the bright spot on the daylight continent, and the two aisle sides in House and Senate adjourned to the western steps to look out past Ohio and Indiana to the southern end of Lake Michigan, where mere Chicago flared like the earth's great jewel. Love is wide. And he was reading a book of poetry in a language no longer spoken, and pondering his lacks and warts and astral sins, knowing the need of penance, and pushing her foldable steel shopping cart. The small woman, compact in her oldness, saw his tears and offered him a Kleenex from the box she carries in her weathered leather purse, and put a fierce and gentle caress on his virgin hand for a moment, and smoothed the feathers of his left wing as if he were a troubled dog or a child shocked by a tumble. And the surface of the earth opened, and all the dead of all time rose like a cacophonous choir of random voices, random notes, blending in beauty, and then tenderly, slowly, the rapturous radiance faded, and the wings vanished, and the guy at the table was asleep, arms cradling head, body protecting his homeless bags against the window, and he softly snored a dream of First Communion.
God damn.
Thank you.